फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन की हुई है, ग्रेजुएशन साइंस में या एग्रीकल्चर में की हुई है, सो यू हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट the Global Innovation Chair, Professor Ajay Venu, who is the head of Global Innovative Center for Advanced Nanotechnology in University of Newcastle. So he is visiting 28th of April. So he has his appointments in Punjab Engineering College and Punjab University. But out of his busy schedule, he has asked me if any student is interested in meeting him in person to discuss further plans of studying in Australia in this particular subject. So they can leave their number in the Google form. So what we'll do is we'll make sure that you guys meet him in person. So we organize that meeting with Professor Ajay Venu. So अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं, वेल एंड गुड है. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में या कहीं पे भी कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड होगा, तो डू शेयर दिस video or reel in your circles, in your groups or in your timeline, so that anyone who is interested in meeting, because these people are very rare to meet in person, because they are the ones behind all those technological or scientific innovation, especially the nanotechnology. He's working on so many projects, alternative energy project, the lithium batteries he's working on. He's working on splitting the hydrogen from water, how to split hydrogen, how to keep it, how to store it, and how to use it. So, and then this program is also relevant to students with the agriculture background, who have done their graduation in agriculture. So they are working on making an alternate for stubble burning. So they call it biochar. Many technical terms, many scientific terms probably I could not understand or comprehend, because I'm not from a science background. But then it's, I would say, a unique chance or an opportunity for you who are interested in science and technology, or even pursuing research or PhD in Australia. Do share your number, do leave your contact details, so that we can, and do it as soon as possible by midday tomorrow, because he will be here on Monday 28th. So I'll have to organize the things. So please share this as much as you can, और जितना भी ज़्यादा शेयर करोगे, maximum students अगर मिल सके, so we'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you so much.